Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to download and install Snapchat application on Android devices. So before we get started, please subscribe this channel and also hit the notification bell to get latest update from us. So let's get started. So in order to download Snapchat, you can use any web browser which are available in your phone, or you can directly go to your Play Store in order to download the application. So I'm going with the Play Store here. Just tap on Play Store icon, and at the top on the search bar type Snapchat, and once you locate the app, just click on the application. And now you can see this install button at the right side of the application. Just click on this install. Now it is in the process. That's it, your Snapchat has been installed. Now it is in the scanning process. So in order to open your Instagram, you can tap on this open icon at the right side of the application, or you can go to your home screen. There you can see the icon of Snapchat, and you can directly tap on the application and open it from your home screen. So hope this video was useful for you, and before you go, please like this video as well. Thank you for watching.